How are you everybody? Welcome back again in my YouTube channel Johan Sagala in the bodybuilding podcast session. Man, my hair is really, not good looking. So okay guys, today is really interesting. Watch the buys and tries new post on Instagram about blessing our debut said something. Okay, you want to know? He said something about Chad Nichols and said something about his new coach George Farah. He work with George Farah right now, and he compare Chad Nichols and George Farah. So before we go jump up into it, please click the bell button, ring that bell, and talking about this. Let's go. Blessing our debut probably was prepping for Indie Pro. Soon gonna be happening in the 2 weeks soon. Okay, so he was preparing and he worked with George Farah, and yeah, he looks amazing right now. He on the shape, he's on the peak week, but on this statement, I believe he really shotgun to the Chad Nichols. He said about Chad Nichols here, and yeah, he just making the compare about the last his physique on stage when he was working with Chad Nichols with right now, okay, for preparing in the pro, and he worked with Josh Farah. And his statement said about this is really pretty easy but really different package. He called out 4 weeks out without cardio at all. Is this really good idea or not? I don't know. It's blessing our new body, right? But we're gonna see his update, okay, and we're gonna see the compare his physique when he was on the peak week work with Chad Nichols, and his physique when he was on the peak week work with George Farah. Right now he looks really pretty good. He looks really pretty hard, grainy from the front. You can see he was doing cable fly here. He was training his chest, but when the turn into back, okay, turn into back, you can notice guys, okay, yeah, there's a muscle, there's just a muscle, and there's still the rhomboids, the thickness, and the upper traps, everything is there, but the level of the skin is different, okay. His skin from the back is thick, still thick, not thin. It's really different from the front, and you can see the level of the skin from the front and back. It's really totally different. He looks really pretty much lean and more conditioned from the front, but when he turn into the back, well, not so much, okay. So this is really the difference. I think if blessing our debut doing cardio in the 4 weeks, okay, I think the back is gonna be more condition, and from the front it's gonna be more impressive, right? It's gonna be more, grainy. But maybe it's just the planning of George Farah right now. But I think you can see this photo when he was with Chad Nichols, and this is the photo when he was work with George Farah, and you can see the notice of the difference, right? Well, Chad Nichols is really one of the guy and one of the coach who come into the diet so hard and cardio push so hard when preparing for some show, but maybe a little bit different with George Farah, right? Because we all know what George Farah doing with Blessing Our Debut, and Blessing Our Debut said he cut out cardio for 4 weeks all the way to the show. So I don't know, this is ideal for Blessing Our Debut because the level of the thickness and the level of the skin from the back and front is totally different, okay. He need more improvement on the conditioning from the back, I believe, yeah. And from the front, he was really on point. He's still on point, okay. And the upper body from the front, it's massive. But the lower body, he need more balancing on upper body and lower body. Lower body, it's not really impressive so much. Yeah, you can see the quads, the separation, the detail, but the size he lacking. That's his weaknesses, I think, the size of the lower body. And I don't think even when the quads of Blessing Awodibu right now is look condition like this, it's not the same when he turned to the back with his hamstring and glutes tired. I believe his hamstring and glutes is not same as a condition as his quads right now. Blessing Awodibu still have 2.5 weeks out, and maybe he was a little bit have enough time to making the improvement of his upper body and lower body and of his the level of the skin for his back. Just looking forward, okay, and hopefully I can see the best version of Blessing Awodibu, and I want to know more. Okay, if Blessing Awodibu can bring the different version and better version when he was work with Josh Farah, and Josh Farah really doing well for Blessing Awodibu, or Chad Nichols is still more better for preparing Blessing Awodibu. So we waiting guys, and just waiting. I'm also waiting. Okay, Blessing Awodibu, I keep my eyes on you. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm your host Johan Sagala signing out. May God bless you all.